The monster crocodile. My goodness, eh?
Bye, Daddy.
Hey, monster crocodile.
We're gonna run
Here he
out.
goes, here he goes. Orangutan.
Oh!
He's a big boy, isn't he, that one? And then we got the other apes in the background. Wow, he's a big one, isn't he, that one? He's gonna get it.
The papaya that dropped.
Another papaya for them. He's gonna come down for that one.
Oh, he is. Oh, he's eating Raphael's one that missed. It's eating Raphael's one that. Oh!
Oh, he likes that one.
There's a crocodile! And a buaya!
Wow, he's liking that, Raphael. Hey? He likes eating all that food there. He likes the bean, I think.
Likes the bean. And ready, right over there, there's a crocodile.
Ah.
And look, it's swimming.
Oh, wow, he's a big crocodile, isn't he?
Should we?
Here he comes.
He eats. Cucumber. Don't use all of it.
Yeah. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, happy. Raphael's pizza, just as well you're hungry. Hey, selamat makan.
Yeah.
Look at our food there, gadu gadu for Daddy. And Michael's got some spaghetti. Got the chicken and the
And
rice.
there's a flower.
And a flour. And Raphael's got the pizza coming.
Pizza.
Selamat makan. Wow, Raphael on the elephant. Raphael on the elephant. Wow. Wow. Raphael on the elephant. Michael, very tall there. Michael getting a bath. Wow, Michael on the elephant. He's on the elephant, like Indiana Jones. Wow, Michael up the top there.
Yeah.
Scrubby scrubs to make sure you get his. Doing good job, boys. Watch out for the man.
Close your eyes.
Here they go, washing the elephants. Oh, on the trunk. Scrubby scrub. Scrubby scrub.
Oh, that's the food.
Okay, the Michael and Raphael washing the elephants. Wow, doing a good job there. Scrubby, scrubby.
Oh, that's cheese.
Yeah, don't go that way. You're going the wrong way, Michael. You go towards the elephant. Washy, washy.
Now, where did it go? The scrub's gone. I already lost the scrub.
Okay, Raphael, you go in there, scrubby scrub.
Where's the scrub? Michael lost the scrub.
Monkey, monkey, monkey.
Don't look at me.
Michael, be careful, please. Raphael, be careful there. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Say hello. He's eating the leaf.
Yeah.
He likes that leaf, doesn't he, hey?
Yeah.
Monkey, monkey, monkey.
And there's also like a bridge for him right there.
Yeah, a little playground bridge.
Oh no, it's yucking, Michael. There. There's a monkey. White. There's a monkey.
Here he is. He's coming for you, Michael.
No. He's looking at Michael.
There he is. Orangutan.
Orangutan. And right behind us is...
He's got his pines coming up.
Yeah, the pines are going up. Can we even touch them?
I don't know about touching them.
Yeah, because they have the spikes.
Yeah, they have the spikes come and spike you.
Ah! One is above. One is above. Look right there.
Yeah, it's a little one.
Look at that.
And there's a...
Turtle. Well, he's going fast now. Fast turtle.
Yeah, and slow and steady wins the race.
Slow and steady wins the race, and the turtle's going very fast there now.
And how is a turtle going fast even though it's supposed to be slow?
No, I know. Michael, have a look at these ones here with the big...
Daddy, I'm gonna put it off Raphael. That's really heavy.
heavy birds.
That's heavy, Raphael. I want to put it off Raphael.
You're going to put it on state on your hands. Who's a pretty boy?
Let's go.
Who's a pretty boy?
Let's go. Oh, don't eat me. Look.
There he is. Cockatoo,
Say
cockatoo.
hello. Say hello.
Hello. Hello. Oh, so many birds there.
Oh,
Many birds. Oh, who's that one there? Oh, there he goes. Raphael got a cockatoo.
I don't know if I can get to do that. No, and look right there.
Yeah, that's your owl over there, isn't it?
It's Dave.
The boys with the owl.
And
Woo,
the owl has
woo,
very
Woo.
big eyes.
woo, woo. Here he comes.
Owl here.
Here's a monster crocodile. Watch out, Raphael, don't you fall in there. He'll eat you up for a snack.
This is dying, bro.
It's like giant crocodile, that one, isn't it, Raphael? You be careful up there.
Yeah.
Okay, crocodile from Australia and one from Kalimantan.
I didn't understand.
No, I don't think they're going to eat that. They eat meat, I think, the crocodile.
Yeah.
Oh!
Tangannya
Here he
sini,
comes.
Samping ya.
Here he comes.
Samping lu. Sini tuh, ke samping. Awas. Dia enggak makan sayur, makan buah.
Oh!
Oh my god, this was eating.
He's very quick, isn't he, Raphael? He got your food then.
Stop lu.
Here he comes
Di
again.
atas.
He didn't want that swan.
Oh! Wow, look at his big feet. Raphael, you giving him some food?
Tayo. Dah? Oke.
Okay, gobble gobble.
Blue, I think it's a bluish.
Oh, this one's walking over there, look. Feeding the deer.
Oh my! I might have
Wow.
a strategy how to pet the deer. So first give the deer some food and then
Oh, I see. The deer very happy to get the food there.
and look at those deers right there.
Oh yeah, more deers up
And
there.
they're the horn deer. They're the
The deer with a horn.
yeah, but the other one doesn't have a horn.
Oh, okay.
And after this, Micah's gonna run out of lettuce. Snake. Why are you slithering? Slither.
Look at this. Iguana. Pegang aja.
Pegang di ininya.
Wow.
Look.
Iguana.
Iguana.
Iguana. Take a video of this.
Yeah, Mummy's on the video there.
Oh my god.
Berapa?
Rapa's showing a lettuce in front of his face.